Hey guys, Davicho here with Luma AI, and today we're going to look at layers and how the layers editor works. Okay, so step one, you're going to right click on any image and you're going to go to extract layers. That's going to bring up the layer extraction prompt UI. In here, you're going to tell the agent exactly what layers you want to extract. In my case, I'm going to extract the two figs, each on their own layer, and I'm going to extract the text and the white stars. I'm going to go to 2K to have a higher resolution. Once your layers are successfully extracted, you're going to see the layers editor with a stack of layers on the left side and the active editor window on the right. In here, you can click through the different layers in the stack to select them. Alternatively, you can also click directly on the graphic elements in the window itself. When you have a layer selected, you're going to see a series of controls pop up above and below it. Number one, you're going to have a function to download the layer. You're going to have an info panel, you're going to have a crop function, and you're going to have a prompt box as well. The crop tool will allow you to crop any element freely or lock to a certain aspect ratio, but make sure that before you crop, you option drag another copy of that layer inside your editor. That way, when you crop, you're not losing your original layer to the crop. If you select the frame, you also will have a general aspect ratio picker for the entire image itself. If I select this, in this case, I'm going to go to 1:1. I will have the ability to change my entire layout to that new aspect ratio. I can now start editing individual layers, reorganizing them, moving them up and down in the stack in order to get them closer or further away from the surface. Once I'm done with my edits, I can select the frame, hit the flatten button to export a flat version of the layers I just edited together. Now I'm going to take this one step further and I'm going to animate this into a looping GIF. First, I'm going to select my image, go to create video, open up Cdance 2, and I'm going to drop in a prompt, something like create a seamless looping animation that starts and ends on the same keyframe, the figs gently rocking in place, the white stars twinkling and changing size, and the type gently floating. I'm going to go to 5 seconds. I'm going to make sure to stay at 720p, 1:1 aspect ratio. I'm not going to create any audio since I don't need it. And I'm going to make sure to keep the reference image as a start frame as opposed to a reference image. And I'm just going to hit create. And now to turn it into a GIF, I'm simply going to select it and then I'm going to go to my agent and I'm going to say, turn this into a GIF with 0.06 second delay in between frames. And I'll hit submit. Now here's my final GIF animation, and in my case, I'm done here, so I'm just going to download this to my computer and call it a day. Thanks so much, guys. Cheers. See you next time.